friends, in this video we are going to see when transistor is unbiased, what will happen to it. First of all, let's define what is a biasing. So biasing is nothing but applying external supply. Since we are not biasing a transistor, hence there won't be any current flowing through it. But still, transistor is nothing but two diodes connected back to back. That means, let's explain it for an NPN transistor. Once again, I will draw a layer structure. Three terminals are emitter, base and collector. It's an NPN transistor. So it is like this. Now I am not biasing it. That means no voltage is applied externally, but still we'll check what happened inside. So the N type of semiconductor over here, that means we are having here electrons as majority charge carriers. Base B is P type of semiconductor, that means holes are majorly charge carriers, and collector once again N type, hence electrons are majority charge carriers. Over here it's a base emitter junction. So just like a diode, what will happen? Electrons near this junction try to recombine with the holes near the junction of the base, and you will get a negative ion over here. Similarly, some holes from this will try to recombine electrons near the junction, giving positive ions over here, just like a diode. Now the problem is that here it's a lightly doped base, hence the depletion layer that is formed here near base emitter junction will penetrate more in a lightly doped area, that means in a base. So actually you will get depletion layer like this. It will penetrate more in a lightly doped area. So this is what happening at the base emitter junction. This is a depletion region. Why? Because here I am having a N type, here it's a P type, and here once again N type. Now what will happen over here? Again a PN junction diode, same thing, electrons near the junction try to recombine over here, and it will give rise to negative ions near the junction in a base, and positive ions in a collector region. Again, being a lightly doped area, depletion region penetrates more in the lightly doped area. So overall depletion region like this. So this is a depletion region, and that is occurring at base collector junction. So it resembles that of a diode, because NPN transistor structure is nothing but two diodes connected back to back. So this depletion region is formed at base emitter junction as well as at base collector junction. In order to break this depletion region, we need to provide external supply, and that is called as biasing of a transistor. Thank you.